Welcome to the Foldable House Showcase experience. Using SimLab VR Viewer, we'll take a hands-on approach to explore foldable houses, all in VR. We'll begin by installing the house. Assembling a foldable house is a simple process that doesn't require an expert, as it involves unfolding the walls and ceiling, followed by positioning the doors and windows correctly, and finally extending the floor panels. Foldable houses are available in a wide range of colors and materials, allowing you to select options that best suit your preferences. Despite their compact form, foldable houses can be surprisingly spacious once expanded. As you step inside in VR, you'll notice how efficiently the interior is designed to maximize usable space, offering more than enough room to comfortably meet your everyday needs. Exploring foldable houses in VR gives us the ability to fully customize the furniture layout to our preferences. This allows you to visualize how your chosen arrangement will look and feel inside the house, as well as experiment with different configurations to find the one that best suits your lifestyle. In addition, you can customize the colors and materials for both the exterior and interior, enabling you to tailor every detail of your foldable house to match your specific needs and personal style. This concludes our Foldable House Showcase experience. To learn more about VR foldable houses and other immersive solutions, visit us at simlabsoft.com.